Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Tuesday, January 17th, 2023. Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning with us for your TF update. Well, we know there's a snowstorm coming. Looks like it's going to stay to the north. The question is where that temperature line lands, and we get a lot of snow or we don't get too much snow. Or maybe we're going to get a mix. Who knows? Keep an eye on that forecast. We'll get you the latest tomorrow on the update in the morning from the National Weather Service, Milwaukee Sullivan, but I encourage you to check back with them frequently as we have our next potential snowmaker coming in. Still winter time. We've been treated to some interesting forecasts so far this year for our winter, so we'll see what comes about this storm. Meanwhile, happening here in Fitchburg, we still have our holiday tree pickup going on this week. That's right, the holiday tree pickup is scheduled through this week. It started yesterday and continues through the end of the week. Make sure you have your trees at the curbside by 6:30 a.m. The scheduled pickup is dependent on the weather, so if the weather is rough coming on Thursday, then we might be delayed in picking that up till Friday. So keep that in mind as we make those pickups. Stoner Prairie Park Master Plan Open House and Public Meeting has been scheduled. This meeting will be held on Wednesday, February 8th at 6:30 p.m. here at City Hall. The City of Fitchburg Stoner Prairie Park Master Plan sets forth the general park layout, allowing for the opportunity for implementation as budget dollars are available. Specific details of each area of the park layout will be determined as the implementation of this park is undertaken. The presentation and other feedback opportunities are scheduled for 7 p.m. that evening. You can learn more, or if you have any questions, go to our website, fitchburgwi.gov. You can check out the master planning. And if you have any additional questions, check in with Scott Endel. He's our Parks Director. He's scott.endel@fitchburgwi.gov. Apply to be part of the Fitchburg Fire Department Intern program. That's right. You can apply now for the Fire Science Resident Intern job opening for the Fire Department. We've got some info here on the screen showing you what is offered, including housing in one of our firehouses, possible third-year paramedic internship with Fitchburg EMS, bi-weekly stipend, opportunity to attend trainings outside of Fitchburg Fire Department, tuition reimbursement, full set of gear, a tremendous learning experience that can complement a formal education, and much, much more. Applications will be accepted through Tuesday, January 31st. If you are interested, go to our website, fitchburgwi.gov, for the details and to get signed up. Wednesday morning book discussion will be taking place this Wednesday, January 18th. You can join us for the discussion of the Women's Upstairs by Claire Massoud. January 18th, 10 a.m., Fitchburg Public Library, large meeting room. Over in the Recreation Department, they have fly tying class coming up, and it's free for beginners. You need to sign up fast, though. This free program, the Southern Wisconsin chapter of Trout Unlimited, invites you to learn fly tying or improve your tying skills this winter. Class consists of instructor-led demonstrations and hands-on tutorials. The courses are completely free of charge. All materials needed in the class are provided. You only need to supply thread and the needed fly tying tools. A list of needed tools are available at our website, fitchburgwi.gov. Beginning tie flying is intended for those with limited or previous fly tying experience, included complete beginners. General techniques needed as a foundation for fly tying are established, and basic but effective trout flying patterns are demonstrated in practice. Instructional booklet with pattern sheet is provided free of charge. January 18th, that's when it starts. It'll be in the Stoner Prairie dining room if you are interested in being a part of that. And finally, this week is Crossing Guard Appreciation Week. Verona Area School District throwing out a thank you here. It says, thank you, Verona Area School District Crossing Guards, for the peace of mind you bring to our students, families, and staff. You help every day begin and end safely. Thank you to all of our school districts, including Verona, for doing a great job. You crossing guards out there, it's from young to old. We appreciate the help. Have a great day.